Welcome to another unboxing video. This is Peter with ereader.com, and this is the Boox Poke. It is their 6-inch e-reader, and they haven't had a 6-inch e-reader in a very long time. You can see some stuff on there, 6 inches, Wi-Fi, all that, and specs continue on to the back label here. So you can just pause the video at any point in time if you want to read that. 6-inch screen, 1448 by 1072, etc. Android 4.4. The higher Android model will be on the Poke Pro. This one is the Poke. Let's just explore the box contents. So you have the e-reader itself, we'll put that off to the side, some documentation, and a micro USB cable. So that's all that comes in the box. See you later. No, I'm kidding. Let's explore what these are. So you have the Boox Poke series documentation. This is the quick start guide. It is listed in both English and Chinese on the back. So it will list the warranty sheet, quick start guide, etc. Optional accessories are like the adapter and the case. They do not come in the box. We're just going to open this up. You guys can pause the video at any point in time if you guys want to read this. This is basically for people that have lost their user manual. So feel free to just pause the video at any point in time. And that's the full user manual right there. We'll do a quick pan of the back for our Chinese speaking and reading audience. That's the final right there. So along with that, you get your warranty card. So your warranty card will have information, limited warranty, both in English and Chinese, and it will have your serial number that is corresponding to the one on the box. Just put that there. Micro USB cable. So they're not using the USB-C that you see on the Note line of devices or even the Nova. They've kind of went back to micro USB because it is much cheaper to produce mass. So this one is not a flush screen and bezel, but you do get a little stylistic angle here. It's like a 1% grade. Do you see that right there? Look at that. It just dips down ever so slightly. I like seeing little design elements like that. You have a matte bezel and you have a piano finish piping around the side. That's very nice. The back is a black metallic looking back. It is plastic, which is pretty sturdy. And on the bottom, Onyx has always really gone the extra mile and given you the flexibility of opening your device up if you wish to do so. You will need Torx screwdriver heads in order to open this up, but you can open it. I don't recommend it. You have a power button / standby button with status indicator light, micro USB, physical button at the bottom, and the rest is pretty much just standard clean on all sides, I should say. So this is everything that comes along in the box for your Onyx Boox Poke. We will be doing a full review of this, so stand by to our YouTube channel. For ereader.com, this is Peter.